Hey everybody, have you ever had to try to put casing up around a door and it's hard to keep your reveal the same? I'm going to show you a little trick that'll help you out. Alright, so we've got our door jamb here and we want a 1/4" reveal all the way around. Something you may have in your bag is a carpenter pencil, and they are made a 1/2 inch. They're made square or square-ish for a reason, and that reason is this way they're 1/2 inch, this way they're 1/4 inch. So what you can do is line up your pencil right on the edge of your jamb and draw your line on the other side, and that'll leave you a 1/4 inch reveal all the way down. So what I like to do is hit it in a few places. I like to hit it up top, I like to hit it midways, and I like to hit it at the bottom, and then I go between those marks. That gives you a pretty good line, and usually your casing's fairly straight. So, thanks for watching, and if this little trick helped you, I'd love a like and subscribe. Throw me a comment, say, hey man, this helped, I appreciate it, you know. Other than that, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making dust.